Welcome to my channel. I have so far I recorded these lectures C and C language, data science using Python. I found my channel very useful. Till now, I taught this C language and data science using Python, data analytics, data basic Python. Every lecture will be helpful to you. Okay, I'm just planning to teach data science using Python course now. Please focus on data science using Python. Okay. For this reason, you need to understand the Python classes. Now, coming to the data science using Python course, I am going to teach on idiomatic. So, idiomatic ponderable. This is my notes where I prepared these programs. Idiomatic pandas, making code panderable. You already know that what is pandas. Pandas is one of the things that is support in the library function, Python library function. And in this main thing, you need to load the CSV file. CSV file. That is what is CSV, comma separated values. Okay. For this reason, how you will execute this one? Just open Jupyter. This lecture is very important to you. I prepared some list of programs in this. First, focus on that. Yeah, this module completely talks about the ponderable. Idiomatic. What is the meaning of idiomatic here first? Idiomatic means meaning. It will give desired meaning to the proper phrase. That is very important in this. So, you open the Jupyter notebook, file, new notebook, Python 3, Python 3. Open this one. So, what is the meaning of this idiomatic means meaning? Here, I am just working on this program. First, focus on each and everything. How I'll explain. Okay, these are my programs. I just prepared on my own. Okay, I import pandas as PD. Okay, this is the package name. Import pandas as PD. And what is PD? Pandas.read underscore CSV. Census.csv. .csv file. For this reason, what you need to do? File. One second. Plus file. File open. You need to upload CSV file here. File open. You need to open CSV file here. Click on the I am just clicking the data science using Python. Here, what are my CSV files? Census.csv. Or otherwise, you can select anything like cars, okay? Any CSV file, doesn't issue. Only thing is CSV file. Uploading. Uploaded, come back here and here cars.csv run. See, this my data is loaded here. Got everything will be there. DF means what? One variable. You are introducing one variable. PD means pandas. PD.read underscore CSV. Any CSV file you can take. Suppose I took cars.csv. If you are having any doubt which type of CSV is, any type of CSV file will be supported here. And finally DF will be printed here. Okay. So data science using Python course is very, very important. In this you are learning idiomatic meaning. Okay. That is your cause, everything will be defined properly and give meaning this one. Amdate, MPG, CYL, DASP. Okay. Everything will be there. I think this file also there, but I wrote like this. 1 second. I'm just removing this data. I think so many days back. Census. Whatever it may be, you just understand this concept. Actually, idiomatic pandas means giving proper meaning. Okay. Again, I am just working on this example. DF. Just understand the columns there. What type of columns present here? Instead of some LEV, give CYL, that is equal to some 4 drop NA set index. Idiomatic can be seen in this one also. Okay. Not this one. Advanced approximate. Somewhere my CSV file is having problem. Just a minute. So go to the idiomatic, and here one thing you need to notice, idiomatic. Sorry for disturbance because of CSV file. And come to directly topic here. Just you are reading the census.csv, right? And here what you need to do, sum LE is equal to 50. That's okay. Different aspect. Cars. Yeah, yeah, okay. Now come to the punch. Pivot tables. You need to create pivot tables using the idiomatic. Okay. Here, first of all, you need to read the cars.csv file. And next one, what you need to do, forget about this one. Don't consider census or CSV because of not existing here. What is present here? Cars.csv. This is very the easiest example. Cars.csv. Uh, df.head. Run this program. What is the meaning of head? First will be printed. If instead of head, if you give tail, and last will be printed. Okay. Here you're using the numpy as np. Okay. Here what you need to do before starting this one, you need to load a test train and test2.csv file also. Here you need to go back here, upload train and test 2. Okay. Once you are loading this one, then run this program. Passenger ID 0, age everything zeros. Why? Because open this train and test to Excel file. In train and test to, what is there here? All zeros are there, right? Whatever you are having data only, it will be displayed fine. So understood, no? From here onwards, you will be knowing the which type of data, that is the idiomatic data can be seen based on the pivot table. Okay. If you want any kind of notes, you can ask me. I am ready to help you out. You understand each and every command here. Pivot 1 is equal to pd dot pivot in table Titanic, values is equal to passenger ID, index age, um, aggregate count. Here, what is this? The meaning of this passenger ID? What is NAN? Not a number. Whenever number is not known, it will be shown as NAN. So 98 rows, 2 columns. Okay. You will get a doubt how these values will be there based on the data. Here only thing is passenger ID, index is equal to age, columns are sex, aggregate function is count. So got my point? No need to by heart doesn't, just understand the data. That's why it is called data science. You are applying the Python programming. Similarly, you can work on this example also. Values is equal to fair, p class 6 mean, everything. Okay, understood? There are so many examples in this. You practice these examples. If you ask, if you are have any doubt, you can ask me. Meanwhile, if you are want notes also, you can ask me. I'll give you. And next one is date functionality. The main purpose of date functionality is to display the date according to the timestamp. Okay, everything depends on the timestamp. Here two packages are there, pandas and numpy, and pd dot timestamp. Okay. So what is the difference between the timestamp and period? Period means a complete month, year, date will be there. What timestamp means particular time. This will be determined by the Python compiler. Okay. For sample, I will show one program so that you will get for model. I will see. I will make you show. Remaining, you have to practice a lot. Here, pd dot timestamp. Something I'm just doing. Timestamp is 2021 January 19 10/5. So similarly, period. If you are giving period, what will happen? Period is 2021 month. What is this M? Month. Which period? Which period? M. Suppose you are giving a 2 year M only because month. Suppose you want to give this one. T1 is equal to PD dot series. PD means what? Pandas. Series. S capital. Up case sensitive. List ABC, comma, PD dot timestamp. Okay. Everything timestamp will be T1. Will be printed. A, B, C. Data type is object. Okay. And if you want to display the type, which data type it will be shown. Pandas.core.index.date, datetime.datetime index. Okay, which it will be determined at the Python compiler. This is the in type. We are displaying the type t1.index. Everything will be similar to this, but only difference is that you need to know the date time and date timestamp. Date time means it will display the everything, date to time, everything. Period or timestamp, and plus means you are just appending to that. Something this is very different, no? You know what is timestamp, and you need to know that time delta also. For this, what you have to do? 12 days, 3 hours. Run this one. Timestamp 2016. Okay, September 14th, 11, 10. 12 days, 3 hours. You are just appending, plus means append. Everything is okay, but 2, 2 plus 12, 14. 3 hours again. See, what I am want to tell is, you are adding plus. Here, how many days are there? How many days are there? 2. 2 plus 12, 14. And how many? 3 hours plus 3. Similarly, you can give another one. Okay, everything is similar to this. And df is equal to pd dot date frame. See, whatever similar there, I am just leaving. Whatever very different models, I am focusing on that. Remaining, you can practice. Okay, it's very very easy and also very important. Okay, and one more thing you need to understand: random integers. If you run this one, it will get display the random integers from 1 to 100. Next, let us test this one, last one. Here, import matplotlib. What is this one? It's one of the package. matplot dot python plot as plt. Percentage matplotlib space inline df dot plot. Here, what is you are just plotting this one. graphically. If you run this one, so graph can be seen. Why graph? MPG, CYL, DSP, everything will be shown. See how it's very easy, and see, we are very eager to learn this one. Access subplot, MAT plot, LFV dot, PY plot as PLD. Okay, I hope you are aware of this concept now. In this module, you learnt what you learnt now: idiomatic, Python, and also date functionality and pivot tables. Everything you learned. Forget about that. For starting, you I will see sensors or CV. Forget about that. You just focus on CSV. See, if anyone interested in my lecture, if you want this type of data, you can just ask me. You can WhatsApp me. I'll provide the Excel sheet to you. You can you can load this file in this one. No, I will search on my own means you can either wish. But change the .csv file in your system. I hope this lecture benefits you, and just thank you for watching. I hope keep continuing till end, and many more lectures will be brought here. Okay, thank you.